Indian trade knives, you know how that one's pretty flat. Theirs will have like a half moon shape type of deal right here, just because it's been sharpened so much that it just starts to wear away.
Put it between your feet. Okay, weight it like this. Take your left hand, hold it. Tap. That is how you pinch it between your feet. Boy, we've got I got bacon sack. We only got so much. That's for the captain right here. There's like some cream there too.
That way you're not hitting a moving target.
Yeah, that's. I can tell you've been in the field a little bit, huh? Foster, James, Corporal.
Here.
Laurie, George, Corporal.
Present.
Blistering from the march yesterday. Get this treated by the surgeon.
Living in the 19th century, the men had tough feet to begin with. They probably went barefoot a lot more than we do.
Right face.
Olive oil? Yeah. Take it off, Sean. We'll take it. For breakfasts, we got a rice pudding. We're very fortunate our quartermaster was able to obtain some dried grapes, and we've got some fresh peaches. And
Alrighty, soldier.
yeah, okay, that's good.
Watch the left. Fire. Fall back.
Purgatory Palace.
Good. Oh.
Where does the
Platoon. Halt. Forward at the walk. March.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Guide on the head of the column.
Company H is made up of former Confederates who were captured in various battles or engagements, took the oath of allegiance and fought in the West, and established established some of the forts that are out here.
Yeah, this was my grandfather's watch when he was on a railroad. Everything from conductor to engineer, switchman and the whole thing.
That means you commence firing one file partner again, the other's loaded.
Roughly when you're going out at 45 degrees, count about 28 steps.
Forward on the center file. Two-man stays. 5 pace. Ready. All right. Go.
Now move forward. Load is rally by fours. Front rank 2-man, stay in place. Everybody rally on the front rank 2-man. Center. Go back to the front. March in towards the center. You always want to stay with your force because you might have to rally by force.
But keep at least one of the arrows.
First section has to stick together.
Stay together.
Why are they different?
Everybody eating?
Is that French mustard?
Yes, sir.
Woodwork and what we're using it for, but hey.
Yeah, you make square.
This is Chuck-a-Luck, or Chuck-a-Luck or Sweat. One of the more common games we play. It's very simple. You bet on numbers. If your numbers come up on the 3 die, I pay you. If not, I take 3 on that 1. And then he hit five twice, so I have to pay him double. 1, 2, 3.
But what they don't show you, what you do
Pretty good
is
for me, so I have to pay.
that would just literally go.
And that was out of Denver City, so we could do an independent battery. They had Fords, they had First Colorado Volunteers.
I'm glad I left my rifle. Gave us an excuse.
Did you guys go up to see the rock art up there?
We didn't have time. We were